In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage subscriptions on Google Play Store. By the end, you'll know how to view everything you're subscribed to, cancel if you need to, pause or restart a plan, and update how you pay right inside the Play Store app. Start on your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store. In the top right, tap your profile picture to open your account menu. Choose Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. This is your subscription hub. Here you'll see three groups: active subscriptions that renew on their schedule, expired subscriptions that have ended, and paused subscriptions that are temporarily on hold. It's a simple way to understand what you're paying for and what's no longer running. If you want to cancel a subscription, stay in subscriptions, select the one you want to stop, tap Cancel Subscription, and follow the on-screen instructions. Keep in mind two important points. First, uninstalling the app does not cancel the subscription, so always use the cancel option here. Second, when you cancel, you typically keep access until the current billing period ends, so you won't lose service immediately. If you canceled by mistake or changed your mind, you can try to bring it back. Go to Subscriptions, select the canceled subscription, and tap Resubscribe. Not every service supports resubscribing this way, so if you don't see the option, it may not be available for that particular app. To change how you pay for a subscription, open Subscriptions, choose the subscription you want, tap Manage, then tap Update next to the payment method. From there, you can switch to a different saved method or update your details so future renewals charge the right source. This helps prevent missed payments and service interruptions. Some apps offer a pause option, which can be handy if you just need a short break. Open the subscription, tap Pause Payments, choose how long you want to pause, and confirm. During a pause, billing stops for the selected period, and access may be limited depending on the app. If you don't see pause payments, that subscription doesn't support pausing. A quick tip as you manage everything: make sure you're signed into the correct Google account in the Play Store, especially if you use more than one. That way, you'll see the right list of subscriptions and make changes to the correct one. That's it. With these tools, you can easily keep your Google Play subscriptions organized, cancel when necessary, pause when helpful, restart if you change your mind, and keep your payment method up to date.